Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today is my birthday. Yay! Happy birthday to me! So I got myself a birthday gift. So let's open this together. I already cut the box open. This is from Real. So let's see how it came. Here we go. And I guess that's, oh, there's a paperwork. So I guess that's the receipt. And that's it, it's empty. Okay. So this is the item. So, are you curious what it is? Can you guess? Based on the shape of it? So, let's open this. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, let's see. Let me just grab the handle. Oh, maybe not. I'll just take the whole thing out. Ta-da! It's Gucci Horsebit bucket bag. Okay. So generally, I'm not a big fan of a bucket bag. However, I am quite fond of Louis Vuitton canvas bag. I'll insert a photo here or here, something maybe here. So I'm quite fond of that bag. So I do want to get that bag eventually, but not right now. And then I came across this bag, which kind of like the shape sort of resembles it, except that this one doesn't have the lid with the zipper. And what I really like about this bag, the handle is, sorry, it looks like this. So you put it through the steering, and that's how you attach it. So that's how it becomes a top handle bag. And if you want to carry it as a shoulder bag, you detach this strap here, and then you attach this, loop through this here, and then loop through this there, and then it becomes a shoulder bag like this. So I thought that was kind of cool. And the reason I got this, the reason I ordered this from Real is that I generally do not order from Real, especially handbags, because if you order handbags from Real, they're not returnable. They're final sale. And generally, I don't really trust Real's quality control. They don't really have a good reputation about checking whether every single item that they sell is authentic or not. So I generally don't really trust them. But I couldn't pass up on this item because this was basically half the price of the retail price at Gucci website. This is currently selling model at Gucci, and it was basically half the price. So I couldn't really pass up on that. So I checked the photo. They usually don't have good photos on Real, so I just checked the photos against the Gucci website photos, and I felt pretty comfortable that this was an authentic item. So I just went ahead and ordered it, and like I saved a lot by ordering from Real. This was like literally like half of. This is about I think about $2,000, and I got it for about $1,000. I really like this one. I like the shape of it. It's plastic. Oh, came with Gucci dust bag. Okay, so came with Gucci dust bag. The inside is just like this, without any pockets or anything. and the bottom has fit, which is really nice feature. And then, okay, it says Gucci here. And inner lining is canvas, nice quality canvas. So yeah, let me just show you what it looks like if I pull this part up here. So you can pull this part up and keep it that way, which I honestly don't like the look of it. But if you want to close it, you just pull it here. Oh, it's a little bit stiff. And then close it, I guess, like this. But I don't need to close it, so I'm just going to tuck it inside. Oh, there's I don't know if I can show you, there's Gucci label like right there. So I'm just gonna keep it tucked in like this. Yeah, so such a cute top handle bucket bag, right? So let's see what fits in here. So currently I'm carrying this bag. It's Gucci Boston Mini, I think, in bloom print. It's very pretty, right? So this is what I'm using right this day. So I'm gonna take everything out from this bag and then transfer this to this bag. Okay. So my phone fits easily, plenty of space. My 6 key holder fits in there. My wallet. There you go. And then my card holder. There you go. And then some tissue. There you go. I don't know if you can see the inside. It's a little bit dark. And then I have some lotion, hand lotion, and lip balm. So they just kind of go in there. And then my AirPod there, and then my mask. So they all fit in there, and there's plenty of space on top if you want to put like something more on top, but this is basically all I carry. So this is such a perfect piece. I really like it. I mean, eventually I'm going to get Louis Vuitton cans at some point, but I think for now this will satisfy my desire to get something like Louis Vuitton can at like 1/3 the price basically. So anyway, yeah, thank you for joining me in unboxing this beautiful Gucci Horsebit bucket bag, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to hit the like button, give it a thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button so you can be notified for my future videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.